Make buses.
You make models of buses?
I make models of buses.
See, they're going to be in Downing Street.
So
our new release from AIRFIX, Transport for London new Routemaster or Boris bus. And it's called the Boris bus as it was actually designed by Boris Johnson, ex-Prime Minister, ex-Mayor of London, and I believe he actually has a hobby and he actually makes buses, model buses as a hobby. So this is new from AIRFIX, joins the very successful Quickbuild range, much bigger than previous releases. We've looked at cars, and I think they've got planes and helicopters and some tanks, all roughly about the same sort of size, but they've actually gone much bigger with this one. And we look at the size of this when it's built. You can see there it's about 30 centimeters long and about 12 centimeters tall. A lot more parts in the kit. You can see the exploded view there of all the parts. Again, it looks really, really cool, and I'm looking forward to actually building this. So let's open up the box and see what's inside. Instructions. Two sets of instructions to see. Or is it 2 pages? Let's have a look. So it's 1 page printed on both sides. Looks like there's 12 stages, and this one again 1 page. Oh, can't open it up. 1 page with various stages. There's 27 total stages. Oh, pretty straightforward, very clear. Yeah, it should be good fun. With Quickbuild, it's very similar to Lego and other similar building toys. The idea is you can actually just open the box, put it together. You don't need glue or paint. You can have the decals. They look like they've been a bit crushed in the packaging, but we'll soon iron them out. So you've got some advertisements for the side of the bus, the cityscape of London, the routes. You've got choice of routes, so we can decide that when we're building it. So yeah, let's get this bus built. So there is the Boris bus. You can see quite a few gaps here. Just doesn't seem to fit properly. In the front, here, also missed 2 parts. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop the video and I'm going to try and fix this, and then we'll talk about it properly. Right, spent the last 15 minutes or so, took the bus apart and managed to get most of it to fit properly. Some of it was partly my fault, and some of it is partly the fault of the kit. Some of the parts just do not seem to line up properly, like here for example, the back. I just cannot get that gap to close. And at the front here, between the front of the bus and the side. Other than that, I have to say, not a bad model of the new Routemaster, the Boris bus. Relatively easy to put together. Again, my fault. I tend to look ahead at the next section and I missed a couple of parts. That was the destination board, which you would have seen in the time lapse. I put the sticker on the outside. It actually goes on the plastic piece and it's mounted on the inside. And again, same here, the destination board, it's on the inside. We've got that sorted. Decals are nice and bright, easy to apply, but care if you don't put them in the right place, it's a one shot because they are very, very sticky. But they went on okay. Mirrors and the fender for the top of the bus, and both fit nicely. Nice detail underneath. But yeah, I would actually rate this quite high. Certainly recommend it. Certainly a nice alternative to the regular Quickbuilds. There's a size comparison with the Jeep Gladiator. The Routemaster cost me £22 from Jadlam Models, and for a kit that just snaps together similarly to Lego and other similar building toys, you don't need glue, you don't need paint. This is what it is. So after about maybe 3/4 of an hour to an hour, this is what you'll have. A little bit more time spent, maybe put it together, you'll actually maybe solve the joining issues with the gaps, etc. So there you go, that's the Boris bus, another quick build on the channel. Hope you enjoyed that, the video. Give me a like, please comment, let me know what you think about the Routemaster, the video, the channel, good or bad. I will reply. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe, it really does help the channel. And for notification, hit that bell for future 110 RC Scaletail videos. Look forward to seeing you on the next video. Keep on building. All the best now. Bye bye.